circle theorems, or let's say ratios or whatever. Watch a video on it. Yeah, I know how to do it. Yeah. And when it comes to the results day, you open up that paper and you look, you're like, wait, how did I get a grade 3? Wagwan! This is Numbian, and in this video, I'm going to tell you guys the best revision tips for GCSE maths, which helped me personally get a grade 8, and which helped me expand my knowledge so that I'm able to teach people on TikTok. Make sure to check my TikTok out, and let's get started with the video right now. Now guys, in the first part of this video, I'm going to explain the worst sort of mistakes or the worst sort of revision strategies that people are using, which just doesn't help you at all, okay? And guys, the first mistake that a lot of you are making is solely just watching online maths videos on certain topics. You know, it's an online world, digital age. We just hop on YouTube, watch whatever you want to watch, or circle theorems, or let's say ratios or whatever. Watch a video on it. Yeah, I know how to do it. Yeah. And when it comes to the results day, you open up that paper and you look, you're like, wait, how did I get a grade 3? You can't just watch online videos to understand topics, guys. They show you the basics most of the time. You need to actually also do other things to help you expand your knowledge on the topic, to help you understand it even more. For example, past papers, doing worded problems, seeing how the questions are going to be worded in the exam. You know, checking the mark scheme after you're done, seeing if you got all the method marks and where you would get each method mark, seeing if you got the answer right. These are the things you need to do, because realistically, you're not going to be doing the questions that they give you, really. You're going to be doing exam questions, proper exam questions. So it's better for you to, you know, look up past papers, do questions like that on there. It's so much better, guys, than just watching the videos. I'm not saying don't watch the videos at all, because without the basics, you won't know how to do the harder stuff. So the videos, I'd say you should watch them just to learn the basics. And, you know, if you're, let's say, struggling with a topic, but not so much, and you just need a recap, yeah, videos are perfect to sort of jog your memory and you'll remember the topic again. But guys, if this is like a new topic that you don't understand or you don't know anything about, watch the videos first, do some exam practice after, and then if you end up forgetting in the future, all you're going to really have to do is just watch the video again in order for you to remember the topic. Guys, I know I was saying past paper practice is amazing, but there are still some of you that only do past paper practice. That is probably even worse. You're hopping into past paper practice without even understanding the topic first. What is wrong with you? You're not going to know how to start. You're not going to know what to do. You're not going to understand the methods. You're not going to understand the basics. What's the point of you hopping straight into the harder questions? You're just going to, you know, make yourself feel like, oh, this topic's too hard. Let me just shut it and not try again. That will easily demotivate you. You need to make sure you understand the basics first, so that, you know, when you get to the past paper questions, which are a lot difficult, by the way, a lot more difficult, because, you know, they usually combine two sort of topics together, let's say, and you'll probably be like, what? How do I even start this? So guys, make sure to watch videos that teach you the very basics of each topic first, so that you have a good understanding. And when you get to the past paper practice, you're going to be like, wait, I know what to do. Quick, bang, 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 full marks. And you're going to open it, the result paper. Perfect. I got that grade 7, 8 or 9 that I wanted. Now guys, this one is so crazy to me. Are you guys ready for this? I've heard that there are people out there that use flashcards for maths. What is wrong with you guys? Like, what flashcards for maths? What are you using the flashcards for? I see a lot of you guys, you know, writing. Like, come on, man. What? We're not learning about the history of Pythagoras or Isaac Newton and all that rubbish. Guys, maths is all about practice. You have to do the questions yourself, not just look at a flashcard. Oh, look at this. Oh, Pythagoras was born on this day. That's not even in the curriculum. So what's the point? The only time I'd say flashcards are somewhat acceptable is when you're trying to learn formulas, you know, cosine rule, sine rule, stuff like that, yeah? You look at the back. You know, how to work at the area of shapes, area of a triangle, area of a rectangle, area of a trapezium. You could kind of have flashcards, but even then, I think it will be better for you just to practice those types of questions, and you'll remember it off the top of your head without the need of flashcards. Wait guys, hold on, just hold on. I've got something to tell you. Subscribe to this channel right now. Press the bell. Like this video as well. I'm making this video to help you guys out and you're not liking it. What's wrong with you, man? Like the video now. Check out my TikTok, Numbian1. I do a lot of maths videos on there to help you guys out. You can watch this as your videos and then after do some past paper practice. I show you the basics so quickly. I literally showed you how to do the sine rule in like a minute. You can check and you'll probably understand it a lot quicker than your teachers. So make sure to check that out. and follow my TT page. Anyways, guys, back to the video. I just got to tell you guys that all these revision techniques, they aren't bad, but they are bad by themselves, okay? You need to combine sort of different revision tactics in order to do well. You can't just be sitting there only watching videos, only doing your homework. That's not enough, guys, okay? Another thing, guys, as well. Homework you can use as practice, okay? The homework that your teacher gives you, let's say you don't understand that topic, watch some videos on that topic. And now when you're done watching videos and understanding that topic, you can just do the questions that you were given for homework and use that as your practice revision, okay, guys? And it's still revision. If you do it properly, it's still revision. Rather than you going to the canteen or going in the morning, before school. Hey, what's the answer for this, bro? Bro, what's the answer for this, bro? You're not going to learn from that. You're going to be one of those people that open the paper on results day. How did I get an X? What? I didn't even get a grade 1. That's what you're going to be like if you just copy other people. Honestly, you need to learn yourself. So guys, the best way to revise maths is using all the revision techniques I just talked about now. And I'm going to tell you guys how. So guys, let's say, I don't understand how to work out the area of a triangle. I mean, I do, but I don't know about some of you, yeah? But let's say you don't understand. What you do is you watch a couple of videos on it, showing you how to do it, showing you some basic example questions. I have videos on my page. I'm not saying just to watch me, but I'm just saying you can watch videos on my page. You can watch it on whatever, anyone else. I don't really know these people. Watch it. And guys, after that, after you fully grasp the topic, don't just keep watching videos. When you fully understood the topic, straight away, do some past paper practice. And I'm going to tell you guys the best websites you can do this on. You can do past paper practice just on the exam board website, the exam board that your school does, okay? They have past papers on their website. Or even better, you can do exam past paper practice on Physics and Maths Tutor, on Maths Genie. It's easy to navigate, and they have some revision sheets that you can use, revision cheat sheets, which can help you during the practice. Make sure you're doing this at least like 30 minutes to an hour a day, depending on what year you're in, okay? So if you're like in year 9, year 10, I'd say even 30 minutes will be fine. But if you're year 11 and let's say you didn't do revision at all in the past, 1 hour or more. Honestly, depending on where you want to go. So let's say you're on like a grade 2 and you want to get to a grade 9. I'm sorry, mate. You're going to have to be doing like at least 2.5 hours of revision every day. No joke. You have other subjects as well. There's no time to waste. Once you're done with a topic, that's it. Have like a sheet where you cross it out and be like, I've done that topic. Track what you're revising, okay? And then look, what have I not done? Oh, I need to do this. Make sure to do that next. Oh, I need to do this after this. Make sure to do that next. Yeah? Track your revision. Make sure you're actually understanding what I've done, what I'm strong at, what I'm not strong at, and put more focus, guys, on the topics which you are weak at. If you're not good at, like, let's say fractions, ratios, things like that, focus more on it. Spend more time understanding it, okay? Because some of these questions can actually be high mark questions and you can lose a lot of marks in the exam. Make sure you focus on it even more, okay? Do some more past paper practice on those questions. Watch some more videos, okay? When your teacher gives you homework, make sure you do all of it because that can be helpful for your revision. Now, guys, I know that there are some of you out there, I don't know what topics I'm weak at. I don't know. I'm going to tell you guys the best way to find out what topics you are weak at and what topics you're strong at, okay? So the first thing you want to do, if you're so clueless and don't know where to start, literally open a past paper straight away, do the past paper, any question which you're kind of stuck at, look at what the topic for that question is and write it down, okay? Just write it down, check the mark scheme after and see what you got wrong, what you got right. Whatever topics you are weak at, didn't get right or didn't understand at all, that gives you a start. That's where you should start with your revision, okay? Don't be sitting there, I'm clueless. After that, guys, watch the online videos on that topic, understand the basics, then go back to those questions, do more past paper practice on those. Physics and Maths Tutor, Maths Genie, any website which can help you. But guys, the most important thing about this revision is not the revision strategies or the revision tips or what website you're using or what videos you're watching. I know my videos are the best, but anyways, listen guys, the only way for you to succeed is being consistent. You can't just, revise some topics and then wait another like 2 months and then, I need to revise and then do it for like a week and then stop for like another 2 months. No. 30 minutes every day is probably better than 1 hour every week. 100%, guys. Make sure you're revising consistently. You could be on your phone, just scrolling, doing revision at the same time. Scroll on TikTok, watch my videos. Bang. Oh, I just learned the topic in 1 minute. Guys, revision is so easy now. We are in the digital age. There's no excuse, guys. Honestly, If you're on a grade 4 right now and you're on year 11, honestly, if you put the work in, consistent revision, you're going to be able to get a grade 9 by the end of the year. 100%. However, if you're on a grade, let's say 6 now, and you don't revise at all, your grade can either stay the same, go up a tiny bit, or even worse, the high chances your grade's going to go plummeting down. You're going to probably get like a grade 4 or 5. Another thing that's very important, guys, is the quality of your revision. A lot of you just aren't focused. And I can say this myself. When I used to be revising, I used to be sitting there with my phone or scrolling every 2 minutes. Guys, the best thing to do is to put the phone away. Put the phone away in another room. Lock the door. And go back to the other room which you're revising in and just do the revision. Keep all distractions out your way. Keep food out the way. Keep your phone. Keep anything that might distract you. Keep it away. Especially because you are at home. There's so much things which can distract you. So guys, another solution for this could be going to the library. Go to the library, guys. Honestly, that won't distract you. There's no distractions there. Keep your phone shut. It's all on you now. You can even go to the library, revise with your friends. Honestly, guys, you heard the saying, 2 heads are better than 1. Revise with your friends. Revise with someone, especially who's on the same level as you. Let's say same grade, similar grade, you want to improve. That will be the best way. You have to make sure that your friends are just as disciplined like you. You don't want to be revising with someone who just, oh, that's enough revision today. Come, let's just go McDonald's or whatever. Vaping, sagging. Forget that, guys. These people will bring you down with them, and you're going to fail on results day with them as well. You're both going to be crying. They're going to be like, no, I could have done better. Oh my God. And some of them will be crying. But I don't care. It's their fault. They chose not to revise. Everyone has a choice. I just hope they can learn from it. Anyways, guys, so that's it for this video. Make sure to combine all the revision techniques which I told you about in this video, and you will 100% get a grade 9 by the end of the year. 100%. Anyways, guys, make sure to subscribe. Watch my videos on TikTok to help you with your revision. Like this video as well. I spent how long making this just to help you guys. And yeah, guys, that's it. Man's Numbian, and I am out, boys. Woo!